Hello everyone and welcome to our Car Power. Tell me, what do you think when you see a car like this? First, it's not repairable. Second, even if it can be repaired, it won't be saved.
We will show you that we can restore this BMW to factory condition. If you follow our profile on Facebook or Instagram, you already know that we have been working on BMWs since 2007. Mainly convert them from the UK to the European version. So you already know that we have a lot of experience in disassembling and assembling BMWs. And this repair will consist of assembling. We will not cut or weld anything. We will buy a new body from the BMW service and rebuild it. Exactly on this M8, our customers saved 25% of the car's value. We invite you to watch a short video showing the reconstructions of this car.